Okay, the first thing I want to talk about a little bit with the 3D analysis is, in my opinion, really groundbreaking. You know, at the end of the day, you know, I work 50, 60 hours a week on the court, many kids, all ages, all levels, and have done this for about 25 years. And, you know, you see things and you learn how to correct things and you develop an eye of really how to diagnose things. And I've been very, very good at solving problems and figuring these things out. Now with the 3D analysis, it's taken everything just to a whole new level. You know, some of the things I always thought and saw, I was right on. But there's many things, subtle or major, that I see in the kids' strokes that once I got to look at it with the 3D measurements, it was a whole new ball game. You know, it enlightened me to a whole nother level of, as a tool to help the student. And then I was able to take that information back to the court and start tweaking some of the players' strokes, whether it be their forehand, their backhand, their serve, and make these adjustments. And then what was really neat, as time went on, okay, I could see how these adjustments, and it was only possible with the 3D analysis, has helped enhance the kids' performance. More racket speed, better balance, just more efficient from A to Z with the rhythm of the ground strokes. So it's really opened my eyes, because I've used video before and those type of things. But at the end of the day, this is something totally different, because the facts don't lie, the measurements don't lie, and then once you see everything in 3D, it just opens your eyes. And these are, I'm talking about some of the kids are maybe the best in the country, who are doing a lot of things really well. And when I look at this, they can do things even better. So I think the 3D analysis is the wave of the future. I think for any coach who really wants to help their students, or any club, without it, you're really not even doing the right service to helping someone. Because the human eye, okay, as good as it is, and I have as good as one as anybody, because I've done this for a long, long time, and I really have studied biomechanics and I understand kind of what's going on. I think it's a must. And at the end of the day, this will be a game changer.